And this is Miss Vila here. Welcome to phonics lesson. Today I'm going to teach you the sound of ow, ow, O-U, O-W. They are the same sound. They are diphthong, long vowel pairs sound, which have the same sound, which is ow, O-U is ow, O-W is ow. What is the difference between OU and OW is that the OU, you can see the words, the letters, the sound are in the center of the word. And you can see OW will be at the end and also in the center of the word. But you can't see OU at the end. But here, this one, OW, you can see in the center and always in the end. Alright, but they sound the same. OU, ow, OU, ow. Alright, let's look at your practical book. Okay, you ready? Okay, this is Unit 2, OU, ow, OW, ow. So write and say. Look at the picture here. What you can see? It's a mouse. Here the sound is ow. Ow. So you write the OU in the middle of a word. Ow, mouse. Mouse. The silence. Mouse. Okay? Over here. OW. Ow. The same sound. The first sound is k and end up with OW, ow. So it's a cow. It's the picture of a cow. Okay, let's see. B, match. The word here is mouse. Whole mouse. You got to match it with the mouse. And here is bird, ow, brown. So the OW is in the center. Brown. The color is brown. Match it with the brown. Next one. Cow, cow. Now the OW is at the end of a word. Cow. Matches with the cow. Here. Her house. House. The OU is in the center of a word. Match it. So here you can see the OW is in the middle of the word and also at the end. Whereas you can see the OU is in the center. It's in between of two words, two sounds. Okay? Now let's see you see. Write and say. Given words: brown, mouse, house, and cow. So you're going to fill in the correct word to the correct picture. Okay? Now, this is mouse. This is the starting the and ow and mouse. Second one is brown, the color. So brown, brrr, ow, brown. Next one, it's a cow. What's the first sound? K, and end up with the OW, ow, cow. Next one is a house. Ha, ha, how. Okay, children, the OU and OW, the sound is ow. So today you learn about diphthong, long vowel sound, ow, OU, ow, OW, ow. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next lesson. Bye.